What's up YouTube? It's your girl Sophia RSVP and I'm back with a new video. It's my birthday month, you guys, and Gina gave me a little treat. So I took advantage of a sale that I keep seeing on my Instagram, and that's the 50% off sale at Eagle Official. So today I want to do a quick haul for you guys. I haven't done one in forever on my channel. I've been so busy with the online store and First to Boutique, but as you guys know, we're doing a little bit of traveling right now. I'm gonna start with the packaging. This is the Eagle packaging. It's like a snakeskin box. They're based in the UK, so it's eagle.co.uk. And my goodness, guys, I placed my order and it came in one day. So I love DHL. DHL to me is the best delivery service there is out there. And I was so shocked. I'm in Brooklyn and they came in one day. And no duty, like they probably might have charged you if you got this package in Toronto. This is the pair that I want to show you guys last. I'm going to show you guys two pairs that I got that are exactly the same, that are super cheap, and I thought they'd be so good for photos. So the first pair is in this box. And these ones are called the Nude Cosmic. And the sizing on these, I got a US 10, you guys. And one of them turned out to be a little bit too big, but these ones, for the most part, they fit perfect. These are so cute, and I keep seeing all these shoes on Instagram, so I couldn't help myself. This is the nude color. It's like a little granny boot. On camera, they look so gorgeous. And yeah, you can wear these with anything, but you guys know me, I rock so much army jackets and army print that I thought this would be so perfect for spring, summer. Even on the cooler days now, I could rock these with jeans or like anything with a camouflage. Don't forget that if you have issues with your shoes, and I'll show you on my last pair, you can always add little things like an insole, or I even think that Miss Jackson, Nelly's girlfriend, even has these really cool foot pads. I'll put a link below because I wanted to try those too, and they're for your super high heels, and they make them way more comfortable. So this is the second pair. It's the exact same shoe, and I did both because they were $14.99, you guys. Oh my god. Here's the black. So how nice are these? They're almost like a satin, but they're synthetic, so you probably can't wear them for an 8-hour rave. But they are so nice, you guys. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna try and insert some footage of me wearing them in a bit for you guys, if that will help. But yeah, these are so cute. So can't wait to style them up. I have some new stuff coming for the online store, so I'll be able, I'm getting these now so I can rock them and show you guys some new videos. And I did get one accessory, and you guys know me, I sell accessories, so if I buy an accessories, it's because I love it so much. And they had this cute little bag. Oh my god, you guys, this is like my favorite thing. I think it was $20. You guys know how I feel about this material. I always sell things in the boutique with this material. I can't hate. This is so adorable. Of course, I'd love to have one. And it's like a waist pouch. How cool is that with your jeans? Just your license, your money, your key. Dope. I love this, you guys. That's the inside. Can't go wrong. And that's what the back looks like, and I think it comes in 2 colors. I might order the other one because it's just so dope. So I'm gonna show you the final pair. So I ordered these in a US size 10, and they were a little too big. Like, in fact, they're like this much too big. So I'm gonna try and put an insole in them because I don't want to go through the whole return thingamajig, and I want to wear them on my birthday. But I've had my eyes on these for like 6 months. Here they are. take the stuffing out so you guys can see. Oh my god! Aren't these nice, you guys? So that's what the heel part looks like, and it has plastic in the toe, plastic in the back, and it's just like a little bit big for me back here. So I'm going to try and see if I can find a nude insole to put inside, and then this part goes on your leg like a stocking. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can try it on for you guys. But yeah, these are crazy. Let me take out the second one for you so you guys can see them both. Like, are you guys serious right now? Look at these. They're crazy. And on, even crazier. So stay tuned. I will style these up for you guys very, very soon. Like in the next 2 weeks at least. You'll see me rocking these. Super long, they go over the knee. In love with these, and they are called, this is called Anna Black Fishnet, and it comes in an ankle version. It also comes in nude. So if you guys go on the site now, you guys will see they have 50% off. There's so many boots in really small sizes that I wish I had seen before, but I can't get my size now because they're older styles, but they would have been so cool. Anyway, check out eagle.co.uk, and if you guys get anything, let me know down below which one your favorite pair is and which one you would get if you go on the site. You guys can always follow me at Sophia RSVP and let me know over there. And don't forget to subscribe. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. So let me just quickly take this crazy nail polish off before I start this little haul because my nails are atrocious, but it's a pandemic.